We have some breaking news that's coming in. Massive BJP versus AAP showdown in Delhi after Yogi Adityanath's Yamuna dip attack on AAP. BJP's Parvesh Verma attacks Arvind Kejriwal. Parvesh Verma reaches Yamuna Ghat, immerses effigy of Kejriwal in Yamuna. Big war over the issue of Yamuna river cleaning. Let's listen into what BJP's Parvesh Verma has said.
यहाँ पर 8,000 करोड़ रुपया कहाँ चला गया, अरविंद केजरीवाल ने कहाँ खर्च कर दिया, किसी को नहीं मालूम। यहाँ पर ऐसा देखने में लगता है 1 रुपया भी खर्च नहीं किया और दिल्ली सरकार कहती है हमने 8,000 करोड़ रुपया खर्च किया। इसलिए मैं सारे दिल्ली वासियों से कहना चाहता हूँ कि दिल्ली को बचा लीजिए, मेरा हाथ जोड़ के प्रार्थना। मैं दिल्ली में पैदा हुआ हूँ, दिल्ली में बड़ा हुआ हूँ, मेरे को दिल्ली की चिंता है। मैं दिल्ली को ऐसे नहीं देख सकता। दिल्ली बिल्कुल बद से बदतर होती जा रही है।
We are right now here at the Yamuna Chatghat. You can see Parvesh Verma over there. He is basically here with a cutout of Arvind Kejriwal, which reads, "मैं फेल हो गया, मुझे वोट मत देना, 2025 तक मैं यमुना साफ नहीं कर पाया." This is a direct attack against Aam Aadmi Party over Yamuna not being cleaned. This is a cutout with which Parvesh Verma is right now throwing in the water. You can clearly see he's putting this cutout in the water, and this is what Parvesh Verma is intending against the Aam Aadmi Party. With video journalists looking there, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.
I'm going to go over to my colleague Shreya Chatterjee, who's joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Shreya, we see that the BJP is amping up its attack against Arvind Kejriwal. Earlier, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had challenged Kejriwal to take a dip in the Yamuna like he did. He and his cabinet ministers did in Triveni in UP. And now we see BJP's Parvesh Verma hitting out at Kejriwal, reaching the Yamuna Ghat, immersing in effigy of Kejriwal in the Yamuna. Give us more details.
Well, Chetna, if you actually understand the Yamuna, it is right now the center of the main politics in the national capital. This is probably one of the major points where the Aam Aadmi Party is in the back foot. We are seeing how the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal, is also agreeing that this is one job that is left undone on their part. And that's precisely why you see the BJP strengthening their attack against Aam Aadmi Party when the Yamuna is concerned. Essentially, why? Because this also is the emotional point of the Purvanchali voters, which is right now, who are basically being wooed by both the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP here in the national capital. But being the Yamuna in the situation that we see right now with the BJP constantly increasing the attack. Yesterday, we also saw Yogi Adityanath reiterate the same today. Parvesh Verma dipped the effigy of Arvind Kejriwal in Yamuna. It would be interesting to see which way the Purvanchali voters sway, because Yamuna will indeed be a very crucial point when on 5th of February, the Delhi voters go to do their duty and perform the right to vote.
Right, Shreya, how do you think, since, like you pointed out, this is one of the most contentious and important points in the poll campaign, and AAP has admitted to not being able to deliver on the promise of cleaning Yamuna River. How do you think this could affect AAP and Arvind Kejriwal's poll campaign? Do you think AAP is on the back foot here?
Well, as if now, Chetna, we haven't really seen any plausible reason that is coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party. What their overall strategy so as to firefight the Yamuna issue is, they are accepting that this is a job left undone. However, there is a flack that they are receiving mainly because of the fact, there were reports that were released by the DPCC suggesting that almost to the tune of 7,000 crore has been spent in cleaning Yamuna in the last 5 years till 2024. There has been question that where did that money go? Precisely because the Aam Aadmi Party is not in an attacking mode on the Yamuna issue. This is one contentious point where the BJP constantly is attacking the Aam Aadmi Party. Yogi Adityanath yesterday, Parvesh Verma today, because Yamuna cleanliness is not just an urban issue. It's not just an issue which we can define under the metrics of urban development, but it also has a religious connotation and it connects the Purvanchali voters. That's precisely why you see, because Purvanchali voter dominance will also be depending on many crucial seats in the national capital. Again and again, we see that's the reason why the BJP is upping its attack as the election is drawing close against Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party over Yamuna still not being clean. Because you can see the condition, irrespective of of what the fight is playing out. We can ourselves see the situation of Yamuna. It definitely does not appear to be clean. It definitely does not smell to be clean. And that's why it's become a political issue in the national capital.
Absolutely, Shreya. Thanks for bringing in that perspective on the story. Parvesh Verma has reached the Yamuna Ghat and he is seen immersing Arvind Kejriwal's effigy in the Yamuna River. Let's listen into what he said.
यहाँ पर 8,000 करोड़ रुपया कहाँ चला गया, अरविंद केजरीवाल ने कहाँ खर्च कर दिया, किसी को नहीं मालूम। यहाँ पर ऐसा देखने में लगता है 1 रुपया भी खर्च नहीं किया और दिल्ली सरकार कहती है हमने 8,000 करोड़ रुपया खर्च किया। इसलिए मैं सारे दिल्ली वासियों से कहना चाहता हूँ कि दिल्ली को बचा लीजिए, मेरा हाथ जोड़ के प्रार्थना। मैं दिल्ली में पैदा हुआ हूँ, दिल्ली में बड़ा हुआ हूँ, मेरे को दिल्ली की चिंता है। मैं दिल्ली को ऐसे नहीं देख सकता। दिल्ली बिल्कुल बद से बदतर होती जा रही है।